That was a real weird one. I didn't want to be up the top because it felt worse. Yeah. But maybe I should have been.
Seems a little more overhanging than yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
As close to over there as you can.
I'm so close, I can't even get any closer.
Okay, you're good.
Like I was at 1/2
Keep
inch.
straight.
I scraped the first molecule of paint off these rims.
Clear on this side.
Chris, do you enjoy this?
No. I don't know, and I don't know why. Because she likes roller coasters.
Really?
Yeah.
Roller coasters. Yeah, a roller coaster is a proven thing. She probably doesn't trust you or me enough.
Yeah.
To be honest, I mean, like I trust George, but I'm driving this. Like, it's just, I don't.
Yeah. And I don't have a problem with that. Okay, yes, we do get to get out.
Yeah, this is the one. GoPro on for this?
Yes, it is.
Okay, good.
I'm not taking the camera out, so it will stay on.
Yeah, this is going to take a while. Make this turn.
Ah, hey, this is the one. Hey, don't hit that, punk.
Yeah, this is the one.
I can't imagine going up this in a mountain bike. I mean, it's not, you know, difficult to make the turns, but you know.
Oh, no, you're walking it up.
Yeah.
No way. You have room to get out over there?
Pull up this little set of rocks.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
Is he asleep?
No. George, will you look in the back? I need my gloves, those brown gloves. I think they're right by the tailgate. Somewhere in there, maybe.
I don't see him.
Okay, open. There's another bag open towards the left. Has a flashlight and a set of black gloves in there. Anything?
Flashlight and a set of gloves.
Black gloves. There's a bunch of shit in there. There's black gloves. Maybe at the bottom, underneath stuff.
Is it in a DeWalt bag?
Yep. I don't think it's in the big heavy one, but you can look. All I know is there's brown gloves in here somewhere.
Okay, here we go. You just need the brown gloves?
Yep. That's it. You go down there by Uncle Joe. Okay. More? That's good. More? That's my rock right there.
Stop.
Still good?
Yeah. See how far he is from that?
I think it's plenty of room. Am I good over here?
Pretty clear. We might need to stop up here, but keep going.
Still good?
Yeah, you're good. Keep going.
Still good? Want me to do another one?
No, keep going. That'll make it a little bit easier. But we're going to have to go back because there's a washout right here. Okay, that's good.
Back?
Yeah.
Okay. You all want to walk down to the next one? I'm gonna go ahead and walk down to the next one.
Do you need help on the next one?
Maybe. That's the worst one, but the next one I think is bad too. You want to get in or you want to walk down there?
I'll get in.
Okay.
I think that's a little further away than we think.
I mean, I think that's the worst one, but
It's one of the at least two.
yeah, there's only
the
two that
worst.
are really bad.
Yeah.
That wasn't that bad.
No, you did it in literally a 3-point turn.
I think,
Might have been-
I think God was turning the wheel in the last
In your
couple.
gloves.
Yeah, this really helped.
Yeah.
Big time. Big time.
That's lovely.
This will be alright, I think. Oops. That is so narrow.
All right.
I think this one's gonna be alright. You wanna move that rock? Just move that rock, I think we'll be okay.
I'm gonna
We've been
make
doing
sure.
these. Yeah, just make sure. Keep coming. Okay.
Perfect.
When you were saying keep making the turn, it was total faith, because in my mind,
You're like 5 feet away.
Oh,
when
really?
you start freaking out.
yeah, I do. That's about the edge of what I can see, I think, is what the deal is.
Yeah. I mean, it's like when I'm back in the van, where we park the van, sometimes
Mhm.
I'll back it up.
Mhm.
And she's freaking out because she thinks I'm going to put it in the ditch.
Yeah.
I got a camera on that. Well, they either took a tumble or they're way farther ahead
Yeah,
than
they moved
I would have
quick.
thought.
Probably gets easy.
I think there are a couple switchbacks ahead of us.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm not putting that rock back.
There's two those short two-door Jeeps. I got no problem with any of this.
No.
You know, none. Yeah, this looks like a.
Get right next to that rock right here and let me out. Okay. Hold on. Let me out.
Okay. George, can you grab your phone and where you were standing on the last one, kind of on the peninsula, like video this whole
Yeah, because
procedure?
he's freaking out when he gets like 10 feet from where he needs to be.
Yeah.